Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. I just thought I'd do a little lead-in into my latest unboxing video to show you what a sad plug situation I have going on here for this particular outlet. My unboxing is going to be on a product that I'm hoping can remedy this situation. It is the Power Port Cube from Anker. Much more elegant solution than this crazy thing. Get a little closer here, just to show you. So this vanilla, it's really just an adapter. This is an old school adapter. It's at least 5, maybe even 10 years old. Basically converts this one outlet into 3. When I go to plug this in, I actually get a little sparkage, which probably isn't good. I just think that this thing is just generally not safe. I'm looking forward to getting this new Power Port Cube from Anker installed over here. It looks more elegant. Of course, the other thing that I can't do with this current setup is I can't charge my phone because I'm at capacity already with these few outlets that I've got, or these few plugs, the 4 plugs that I've got being plugged into this double outlet. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing part of the video, and hopefully you guys find it somewhat helpful. Hey guys, so here we are at my trusty unboxing station here, and as I said, my outlet game is pretty weak right now. That 3-pronged outlet that I show you actually causes some sparks. It's pretty old school, it's probably 10 years old. It causes a couple little sparks to happen every time that I plug it in, which probably isn't good. So fire hazard aside and so forth, I definitely want to have a more elegant solution for that socket over there. And then of course with all of those 4 sockets being filled up in that one plug, I'm unable to charge my phone. So this little guy here is the Power Port Cube from Anker. Interestingly, this box is not what I expected. I saw a couple, I reviewed a couple of other unboxing videos on YouTube in preparation for this one, and the packaging that I saw is much different than this. So hopefully I've got the right product. I do have my trusty unboxing knife here, so we're going to open this up and have a look. So without further ado, let's get into it here. And I may not need my knife, which always makes me happy. It looks like I'm not going to need it. There's no tape or anything else, and good, okay. So this is actually the product. It looks like they may have downsized their box for it. So let's just take all this plastic off here, get that out of the way for sure. And then I'm just gonna set this down here, make sure I give you guys a good view. Although the black on black is a little bit interesting. So there you go. So this is obviously the 3 USB ports in one on one panel here. This, my understanding, is a power button that powers the USB on and off. It is required if you want to get the, do your charging in these 3 USB ports here. And then we have 1, 2, 3 outlets, which is great. So typical electrical outlets. Of course, we've got the 3 prongs here, and then there's also a obviously certainly a little bit more modern plug than the one that I'm using to the vanilla thing that I'm using in my wall right now. So yeah, so I'm excited to get this over there and have it replace the old school setup that I've got going on now. Other things inside the box, we have, it looks like a little sort of a survey, happy, unhappy, and so forth. We're just happy that you're happy, blah, blah, blah. And then there's also some technical support, contact information. My understanding is that Anker technical support is phenomenal. And yeah, so that, I doubt I'm going to need technical support for a cube that's got some outlets and some USB ports on it, but just in case, you never know. A little welcome guide. Here's the instructions. Tells you, essentially what you get in the box. Here's how you power it on, and so forth. But very, very straightforward. Oh, and then there is some. I believe this is a little bit of double-sided tape effect that if you want to mount this, and I think I will mount it on my shelf over there. You just stick this guy on, and then you can stick it up under a shelf to get it out of your way. So that's pretty cool. And then so that's it in terms of essentially in terms of what's in the box. Very, very simple. Just to prove it that that's everything. So yeah, so I like I said, I am excited about getting this plugged in and being able to charge my phone in addition to powering on my devices with that with that plug over there. So if you get any value from this video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I do all kinds of tech reviews and videos related to tech, how-tos, smart home technology reviews, and so forth. So I hope you'll subscribe and like this video, please. And I'll see you in the next one. Tech Timmy, ciao for now. Hey guys, so I just thought I would circle back and show you the finished product. So there is my new and improved outlet game. This little doohickey here, piece of junk, and we're gonna get rid of that forever. And then basically this is the power port cube. Look at how nice and clean that is, wow. And then of course I've got my 3 USBs right on the top, all set to go if I wanna charge my iPhone and or my iPad, and then one other device. So that's really pretty cool. But I did mount it to using the double-sided tape, which was super easy to do, to my little shelf on my lamp here. And yeah, it's just so much cleaner and definitely gives me peace of mind over that other fire hazard that I had before. So anyhow, if you like this video and wouldn't mind, please give me a quick, where are we here? Like one of those. Oh, I'm blocking the camera now. There you go, Tim. And please subscribe to my channel. I do all kinds of videos on smart home and technology gadgets like this one. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.